including its origin, composition, and classification. Petroleum is one of the most important natural resources in our modern world, playing a crucial role in energy and manufacturing industry. So, firstly, I will talk about the origin of petroleum. Petroleum is a fossil fuel that was formed millions of years ago. It originated from marine microorganisms such as plankton and algae, which settle at the bottom of ancient oceans and plates. Over time, the organic materials were buried under layers of sediment under high pressure and temperature. Chemical reactions transform these organic remains into hydrocarbons, which eventually became crude oil and natural gas. The substance then migrated and accumulated in progress rock formation, creating oil reservoir deep underground. So then I will move to its compositions. Petroleum is a complex mixture of hydrocarbons along with some impurities, but the main components include alkanes or paraffins. These are saturated hydrocarbons. Include methane and propane. They burn thinly and are a key source for energy. Secondly is cycloalkanes or naphthens. These hydrocarbons have a ring structure and contribute to fuel quality. And third is aromatics. These compounds contain benzene rings and are used in producing chemicals and plastics. And finally is the impurities. This is also contain sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, and trace amounts of metal, which must be removed during refining to produce petroleum, which help reduce pollution and improve fuel quality. And finally is classification of petroleum. Well, petroleum is categorized based on its density and sulfur content. Well, firstly, by density, like crude oil that has a high AB gravity, I need to mention that AB gravity is a measure of how heavy and light a petrol liquid. Well, if our AB gravity is greater than 31.1 degree and it is easier to refine into gasoline and cheap fuel. And medium crude oil is falls between 22.3 degree and 31.1 degree AB gravities. And next is heavy crude oil has a low AB gravity, which is less than 22.3 degrees, meaning it is thicker and requires more processing. Extra heavy crude oil, even denser and heavier crude, and often requires advanced extraction techniques. And second is by its sulfur content. Sweet crude oil is contained less than 0.5% of sulfur, making it more valuable because it produces cleaner fuels. Sour crude oil contains more than 0.1% of sulfur, which requires additional refining to remove pollutants. So, in my conclusion, to summarize, petroleum is a natural form fused fuel that is produced after purifying crude oil, composed mainly of hydrocarbons and classified based on density and sulfur content. It is a vital energy resource that powers industry worldwide. However, refining and using petroleum also pose environmental challenge, which is why cleaner energy alternatives are being explored. And that is my presentation. Thank you for listening.